Hello everyone. Today's date is 21 July 2022. Today's our topic is about full stack development in Java developer. Basically, full stack development is a part which are used to develop the software applications. Now, before discussing today's topic, let me introduce myself. I am Chitrajay Kundewar. I have done my engineering in field electrical engineering in 2019. So, this is all about me. Let's start our today's topic, that is full stack development. So full stack development is basically including of front end part and back end part. So in that front end part, we have to use for showing our page, we have to use HTML and create some logic in that. We have to use TypeScript, and for stylish purpose we have to use the CSS. So this is the three parts, that is HTML, CSS and TypeScript, which are including of the three parts. We have to create our Angular part, that is the front end in full stack development. Now after that we have to back end part. Back end part is that we have to create some business logics. So for security purpose we have to use the backend in the backend part. So we have to use for developing a software applications. We have to use Spring Boot for developing that software application. Basically, Spring Boot is a framework which is used to developing our web applications like web pages, whatever we have to develop our server sites web applications. So in that, there are by giving example, that is MVC controller. In that MVC controller there are three main parts, that is view, controller and model. So we all know that this MVC controller, but replace of this view we have to use Angular in that part. So basically way of this process is that we have to send our request to the Angular, and Angular is request is forwarded with TypeScript, and that means Angular is forwarded to request our controller. Controller has some given business logics and for development, and whenever we have checking some information with the database, so controller is this request is forwarded to the module it will check with the database, and database is response to the controller, and controller is response to the Angular. So basically Angular is given an output for this request is given to the user, that is it is provided to the user. So whatever we have the request, that could be the response in that form of this given person. Okay, so this is the full stack developments. So now in that full stack developments, we have to create our some login page. So in that login page we have to create some HTML pages. For that we have to create some buttons and some business some logic. For non-security purpose we have to develop our logic in that TypeScript, and we have to for your security we have to this logic, it could be built up in your Spring Boot app. So with the help of that, no one can hack this applications. So this is a local host. So for this local host, for this we have to this application is proceed for your publicly. So in that purpose we have to create our builds of this two. That means create our build of the Spring applications and create a build of this Angular. In these builds can be copied from the local machines, and it will be based on our server. In that whatever we have to create our folders, in that folder we have to paste here. After that we have to hosting on that server, and with the give up on that server we server is gives a public address. With the help of this public address, we have to hosting our the project in publicly. So this is all about the full stack developments in a development for developing some web applications. So this is a full stack development. Thank you so much.